In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview the client portal in HoneyBook, Client View 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and head to honeybook.com. This is the official homepage where you'll access your account and all of your business tools. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight in. If not, you'll see the sign-in option right away. Go ahead and log in to your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If the system prompts you for security verification, like a code or an extra confirmation, quickly complete those steps to keep your account secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This page gives you a snapshot of activity, but for today, we're going to focus on where to find the client portal preview. Look to the left side of your screen. That vertical bar is your primary navigation. It houses everything you need from projects to tools, and it's where you'll find the key settings for your account. The option we need is Settings. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a gear icon or as the word Settings. Click it to open your account configuration area. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Company. This is where you manage items that affect your brand and client-facing experience. Within Company, select Client Portal and Domain. This area controls how your portal looks, the domain or URL your clients visit, and other related presentation options. It's the hub for ensuring your client experience is consistent with your branding. Now scroll down the page until you find the client portal preview. It's typically placed within the portal customization area so you can quickly see how your choices appear to your clients. The preview is designed to show you what your clients will experience when they log in, including your logo, colors, and the overall layout. Use this view to confirm that your branding looks clean, your text is readable, and the navigation is straightforward from a client's perspective. As you review, pay attention to how invoices, files, and messages are represented in the client view. This is a great moment to catch simple visual tweaks, like spacing, color contrast, or logo sizing, so everything feels polished before clients see it. If your account has multiple brands or workspaces, make sure you're viewing the correct one so the preview reflects the right setup. That's all you need to access and preview the client portal in HoneyBook. By checking the client portal preview from the company settings, you can confidently validate the experience your clients will see and keep everything on brand and easy to navigate.